We're up and at this morning. We're on day 2 of a cattle drive, and I'm coming in on day 2. They already did one day. We got all these cows, and we're taking them out to pasture in some mountains. So day 2 of a 3-day cattle drive. First step is just get them out of where they all took their naps last night and back onto the road, and yeah, we'll be gone. Well, for most of the day, we'll just be trailing on a dirt road. Dusty out here, taking them through the narrows. You can tell it's narrows because of the way it is. Get off that grass. Woo. Get on. Hey, hey. I don't know why I've never fished these pools, but there's gotta be some fish in there, even if small. Should have been a cowboy. Should have learned to rope and ride. Yeehaw, we cowboys today. Is that poop?
Yeah. Even that one's not really messy.
All right, let's jump in and head out. Come on. One random bull wanting to hang out here in all this tall sage. Oh, by the way, horse introduction, since I'm always riding something different. I think last time I was riding Jagger. I was riding Jagger last time. This is Red. I'm pretty sure Red's been on YouTube. Right, you Red? Maybe. We're hanging out here for a little bit. Got cows kind of scattered on both sides, and we're just letting them mother up. Let the mamas find their babies, and the babies find their mamas, and then we're headed home. So these are not our cows, and we're trying to just trying to push them out of the way so they don't mix in with ours. Come on, get out of here. Hey, 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 hey. Just think this is their herd. Hey. Get out of here! Hey! 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 On that one, I'll come back. One-on-one this time. Got your friend out here. Picked up a passenger. What? Say hi.
To what?
Got another new passenger. Timberland. Oh yeah. There's old Phoebe riding. What's up, Phoebe? Need you to saddle up real quick. Alright, well, we got the cows here. Put out some hay, so they'll stay the night here. We'll start here tomorrow. Day 2 is pretty much done. Alright, another morning. We're back at it. My voice almost all the way gone. But we're gonna gather them out of the pasture. We literally went all the way to the back.
Hey. You got him, fish. Oh. Hey. You hefty sucker. Yeah, that was about as much bigger than that. Fish might get drugged. Look at that. He knows what he's supposed to do now. Yeah. We got the nursery back here. Not always the way you want it. Makes it harder for them to move. All the mamas want to turn back, look for their calf. Minnow red. Red. Pretty good ones. Well, here's practically the end destination. Pretty country, and this is where they'll spend all summer. Right here at the tail end. May have to rope a couple calves that need some tags. Yeah, pretty much be a day. Well, we just had to head and heal this calf, and I did not turn on the camera, but I caught two. You good? Today's just my day, 2 foot and 2. So these are what we call slick calves. They were born late, didn't get branded, didn't get earmarked. And again, we just got to put some type of marking because this is wide open, wild country out here. Things can get scattered, and you got to have a way to identify your cattle. So, good.
This ain't bad.
Huh?
I missed. He was ready to rope it.
I know. That's why I didn't miss. The pressure was on. Didn't get it on video, but yesterday we put in a pipe. I've never done this before, but this is how they make troughs up here in the mountains sometimes. Little streams running down here. And so we put a pipe right here. Put rocks on top of it, built like a dam. And then perforated some holes, plugged the end so that you don't get dirt and rocks down in there. and then put rocks along the way so if cattle are on it, it doesn't knock it out, knock it loose. And then you just use gravity all the way down here and just pipe it up into this. Yesterday this had no water in it. Today this is our little mountain stream just running out. It's, I mean, cold, good looking water, and then you don't mess up the stream. It just keeps running down, overflows right here, keeps going down the mountain, but it gives a good body of water, good easy spot for cattle to drink. So kind of cool. All right, we finished out the getting the cattle all the way back to where they need to be, actually, just for the summer. But got Rod, Megan, Sam, Trevor,